Hello kabayan! Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito o isa ka sa mga bumabalik na manonood, welcome back! Ako si Merloni, isang Pinoy Realtor dito sa Las Vegas. Dito sa channel natin, iniikutan natin ang mga bagong bahay sa mga bagong komunidad mula sa mga sikat na builders dito sa Vegas at Henderson. Kung balak mong lumipat, magbenta o mag-invest sa bahay dito sa Las Vegas, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko and I hope makakatulong ito sa iyo. At kung gusto mong updated sa mga bagong tours at tips, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Tara, samahan mo ako sa tour natin ngayon. Hey, kumusta mga kabayan? Nandito tayo sa KB Home Community dito sa Brevi and Novi na community sa KB Home. Titingnan po natin itong Plan 2069 sa KB Home. Huwag kayong aalis, tingnan natin sa loob. Kumusta mga kabayan? Nandito tayo sa KB Home. Dalawa yung community dito, or bali tatlo. Yung first is Brevi, tapos yung isa is Novi, N-O-V-I, tapos yung isa is Lenora. Yung Brevi at saka Novi is magkatabi lang, so iisahin na lang natin. Tapos yung sa Lenora, ang yung mga models nila ay sa Novi naman. So we'll just have to put it on one video dito. So yung sa Brevi na community, may ano sila. They have 5 models that they sell here sa Brevi. So yung first is yung Plan 1590, 1,590. So it has 1,590 square feet. Ano siya? 2-story homes, 3 beds, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. And it starts at 432,990. So yung pangalawa naman ng plan is yung 1720. This is the house that we're staying right now, yung 1720. 2-story homes, of course, 1,720 square feet living space, 2-story homes, 3 bedrooms and a loft, parang maliit na loft lang, 2.5 bath and 2-car garage. It starts at 444,990. So parang yung 1590 is just a smaller version of the 1720. Yung next naman is yung 2069. So it has 2,069 square feet living space, 2-story, 4 bedrooms and a loft, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Tapos may optional bedroom siya and bathroom configuration sa taas. Okay? And then it starts at 471,990. And then yung next na model naman is yung 2124. This model is nandun siya sa Nova yung model, but we'll be going there anyway. So 2,124 square feet siya, 2-story, 3 bedrooms with den and loft. May office sa baba or parang den, 2.5 bath and a 2-car garage. So optional bedroom yung office sa baba. You could make it as a bedroom and then automatically yung 1/2 bath, yung powder room na katabi niya, magiging full bath yun. Okay, sa first floor. That was yung sa 2124. And it starts at 476,690. And bago ko makalimutan, today's date is June 11, 2025. So you could base your pricing and terms ngayong date na to, June 11, 2025. Tapos yung HOA dito is $65 a month. Okay? And then yung last model, yun yung popular model nila sa KB Home. Almost all offices, yun yung model nila. 2469. So it has 2,469 square feet, 2-story, 4 bedrooms with den and loft, 2.5 bath and 2-car garage. Same thing, may optional bedroom siya. Yung office sa baba or den, pwede mong gawing full bedroom. And then yung powder room na katabi niya automatically becomes a full bath. Okay? And that starts at 499,990. So yun yung mga nasa Brevi community na mga models. Now dito naman sa Novae, so yung floor plans nila, they have the single story. Yung first plan is yung plan 1203. So single story lang siya. It has 1,203 square feet living space. 2 to 3 beds. So pwede siyang 2 beds. Tapos pwede siyang 3 beds rin. 2 bath, 2 car garage. Yeah, of course, yun yung 1,203 square living space niya. And it starts at 424,990. Okay? So yung next plan naman is yung plan 1572. So 1,572 square feet ang living space niya. And it has 3 beds, 2.5 bath, 2 car garage. And then it starts at 432,990. And then the third plan is the 1720, which is the same one that nandito sa Brevi rin. 1720 square feet, 3 beds, 2.5 bath, 2 car garage, and 1,720 square feet. And it starts at 444,990. Tapos yung next nila, same thing dito, yung 2069 na model, 3 to 4 beds, 2.5 bath, 2 car garage. Okay? And it starts at 471,990. And then, ito yung naka-model nila dun on Novae, yung plan 2124. So, 2124 square feet in living space, 3 to 4 beds, 2.5 to 3 bath, 2 car garage. And it starts at 474,990. Tapos yung last naman nila, yung 2469, the popular model, 4 to 5 bed, 2.5 to 4 bath, tapos 2 car garage, and it starts at 499,990. So yun yung ang lahat na nasa Novae, binibenta rin nila sa Lenora na model, okay, na community. It's just like a few blocks away from the Novae community. So yun yung Brevi, ang katabi katabi lang ng Brevi is yung Novae, and then ang Lenora is like a few blocks from Novae. Okay, so any questions, just leave a comment, text, call, or email me. Okay? So mga kabayan, salamat! Hello, kumusta mga kabayan? Nandito po tayo sa KB Home Community, dito sa Brevi at saka Novae community dito sa Southwest Las Vegas. Malapit po tayo sa Southern Highlands sa Las Vegas. Ito po yung parang medyo last community before ka papuntang California. Okay? So ito yung model 2069. Plan 2069 ng KB Home with a Brevi and Novae community. So, ito yung itsura dito. Wala pa mga bahay dito sa tapat. Bakante pa yung lote. And then, yun yung ibang mga model homes. Pero titingnan natin ngayon yung model 2069. It's 2-story, 4 bedrooms and a loft, 2.5 bath, 2 car garage. Tapos parang may optional bedroom and bathroom siya configurations available. Usually sila taas. You could have like 3 larger bedrooms instead of 4 bedrooms. Okay, so ito yung sa labas. Naman. Okay naman siya. Yung isang side naka-block na bricks, and I think the other side tapos yung landscape niya sa harap kasama na yan. Tapos yung kabila naman may gate siya doon sa dulo. Okay? So, today is June 11, 2025. So, yung base price nito is 471,990 as of today's date, June 11, 2025. So, pasok tayo dito. Yung plan 2069. Oops. Yan. Pagpasok ka agad, ito tingnan natin yung mga upgrades. na nakalagay dyan. 2069. Okay. Tapos dito yung garage door, which is locked. Tapos yung next, ito yung stair papuntang taas sa second floor. Okay, tapos yung flooring niya dito sa model home, I think this is tiles 18 by 18. So yan, and then yung family room. Okay, tapos dito sa right side, ito yung kitchen nila. It's nice. Countertops, quartz. Yung standard feature nila is granite. Okay? Tapos yung sink, it's divided sink for stainless steel siya. And I think yung faucet, medyo anong tawag mo dyan, chrome or something. Tapos ito yung sa kitchen, standard. I'm not sure if it's that standard na ngayon, but ito yung stove nila. Yung parang may grill stove dito sa gitna. Tapos oven. Tapos yung microwave. I think yung microwave, I'm not sure if it's, kung standard ba ito, pero may dry air fry siya na feature. So, buksan nga natin. So, yan. Medyo maliit lang nga siya sa loob. So, yun lang yung kaibahan dyan. Tapos yung cabinets, nasa 42 inches cabinet. Tapos 9 feet ceilings, okay? And then yung cabinet, white. Tapos yung standard feature nila, wala silang handles. Okay? So yan. And then, sa taas ng microwave, may vent sila dyan para kung magluluto ka sa baba, magluluto ka ng daing, buwad, or isda. Didiretso sa vent. Pupunta sa labas yung amoy or yung usok. Okay? Tapos yan, kasama na sa pagbili mo yung microwave, oven, and stovetop, at saka dishwasher. Yung fridge at saka washer and dryer, usually, most of the time, hindi yan kasali. Pero, you'll never know, baka may program sila na kasali yung appliances. So yan, either side sa fridge, may ano sila, may konting counter, may lalagyan, tapos cabinets. Tapos on this side, yung pantry. So, medyo malaki yung pantry na dito kasi nasa baba ng stairs. So parang nagamit talaga dyan. So pwede mo pang lagyan ng gusto mo. Few more shelvings. Pero mas malaki yung storage dito na model na ito. Okay? And I think yung dito na rin sa kitchen, meron na silang USB na chargers, na kanilang mga plugs. Kasama na yan. And then dyan, again, the counter, pwede yung lagyan ng 3 or 4 high chairs, probably 3 lang kasi sisikip na. Then ito yung family room. So of course, open concept talaga sila. They've got 3 big windows. So automatic yan kapag tinataasan mo yung ceiling mo from 8 feet to 9 feet, tataas rin yung windows 1 feet higher, at saka yung sliding door. Tapos yung sliding door, that's 8 by 8 feet. Okay? Kung tataas siya ng 8 feet pataas, pero kung standard lang, 6 feet lang yan. But if you wanna upgrade a little bit more, lagyan po mo ng 2 feet yung width. That's another upgrade, which is really worth it anyway. So yan. And then yung backyard nila dyan, makikita mo, mas open talaga siya, mas maraming light. And this would be their dining room. So kailangan eksakto lang yung dining room mo, hindi masyadong malaki. So this one's really nice. So yan, tingin tayo sa backyard. So of course, kung standard lot lang yung kukunin mo and then malaki yung square footage or model na kukunin mo, medyo liliit yung backyard mo kasi lalaki siya yung size niya magpapuntang palikod yung it becomes deeper. So palalim yung yung size ng bahay. So, yan. So, kung mas maliit na bahay, mas dodoble yung backyard mo. Okay? So, yan. Andito naman, pagliko mo dito sa dining room, nandito yung powder room, at saka may storage pa dito. Dalawa. So, yan. So, yung may dalawang pintuan for storage. Yan. So, pwede dyan sa closet, jacket, or something. Tapos, mga sapatos, pwede rin nilagay dyan. And the next one is your linens. So, yan. Pwede lagay mo dyan mga tuwalya, whatever storage you want to put. Okay? Tapos dito yung banyo, yung powder room. Toilet. Ganda yung color ng wall. Things like brown or something. Tapos yung oval na mirror. Standard pedestal sink. Ayan. And again, I think flooring is tiles. Pero yung mga sikat ngayon is yung vinyl. Right? So, yan. So, tapos yung fan nila, upgrade yan kung lalagyan mo ng fixture for the fan and the light sa taas. You know. So, aakyat tayo. So, reminder lang mga kabayan, you know, kung excited kayong maghanap or tumingin ng mga new builds, you know, it's best na dalhin nyo yung realtor nyo, gaya ko, you know, para at least ma-represent ko kayo ng maayos. And then, kasi yung mga salesperson dito, you know, they're working for the builder, so they want to make more money for the builder. Tapos, kung may katulong kayo dito na nagne-negotiate, you know, you could save money, mga incentives, and negotiate for more na anong makukuha natin. So, you know, kung pupunta kayo or titingin kayo ng mga bagong bahay, let me know, call me, text me, and I'll go with you from start to close. So, pag-akyat natin dito, so may loft siya na maganda. It's nice. Okay? Pero dito muna tayo sa kabila. Okay? So, pag-akyat natin, mag-right tayo. Parang may corner siya dyan. So, dito may 3 bedroom. So, ito yung parang optional na pwedeng gawing 2 bedroom itong 3. You know, so parang mag-iiba yung configuration. Lalaki siya, tapos parang lalaki yung closet rin. Pero before dyan, ito yung full bath sa 2nd floor. Combo shower and tub. Combo shower and tub. And then dual sink. Tapos may mga storage dyan sa baba. Okay? Tapos dyan yung mirror. It's nice. Tapos sa harap dito, ito yung first bedroom. Yan uli yung parang vent through air para hindi magsaslam yung mga pintuan kapag may aircon, tapos magba-vacuum kapag isasara mo yung yung pintuan. So ito, I think that's like a queen size bed. Yung window nakaharap sa street. Sa first bed. And then my closet na may sliding door. Pretty good size closet. Diyan. Tapos paglabas naman natin, next, katabi, another room. So, magkaano lang talaga sila, magkadikit. Still facing the street, yung window. So, dyan. Tapos may closet siya na maliit na dyan, na walk-in. Okay? Natin yung closet. Para yata to sa princess, kung may princess ka na baby. Dyan. So, okay rin naman yung closet niya. Okay? That's good. And then, paglabas natin, ito yung 3rd bedroom. Okay? Pretty much the same size sa kabila. Okay? And I think that's like a full size bed. Yan. Tapos may wallpaper na nakalagay dyan. Parang bricks na wallpaper. And then may closet sila na may sliding door. Good size closet. Okay? So, yung sinabi ko kanina, yung pwede siyang i-gawing 3-bedroom. So, I think ito at saka ito magko-combine. And then, part of this room, magiging storage sa room dito. So, dyan, parang may storage siya dyan. Tapos, lalaki siya dito. Yeah. So, yun. You know, may kliyente ako, yun yung ginawa niya. Imbes 4-bedroom, 3-bedroom na. You know. So, yun, 1, 2, 3 bedroom. Tapos, dito tayo. Balik tayo dito sa loft. Tapos, sa gilid ng loft, dito yung laundry. But before papasok sa laundry, may storage naman dito. Linen storage. Sa taas. Mga towels. Or kahit ano dyan. Okay? Tapos, dito, yung laundry room. Yan. Laundry room. So, wala pang dishwasher, wala pang washer and dryer. So, most of the time, di talaga kasali yan when you buy. And then, dito yung cable management. Dito sa mga modem or mga whatever kable na kailangan. Router. Tapos, yung last na room natin, at saka dito pala, kapag upgraded yung rails mo dito, itong may butas-butas, yung mga power outlet mo nasa floor, nakaganyan. Okay? So, yan. Kasi yung standard nito, yung parang solid na wall. Tapos, yung outlet niya nasa wall. Okay? So, yan. Yung last natin, master bedroom, katabi ng loft. Yan, it's good. May electric fan siya. I think this is a king size bed, which is nice. So, malaki yung space niya talaga. And then, yung bintana niya is facing the backyard. Yan. Diba, makikita mo yung mga aso or mga anak mo naglalaro dyan. So, it's good. Yan. Okay, tapos sa harap ng bed, ito, yan, pwede mo lagay yung TV mo dyan. And then, ito yung pintuan na walang door, parang way lang, hallway, towards the master bathroom. So, pagpasok mo kaagad sa left side, storage. Storage. Walk-in closet pala, walk-in closet. Ito yung walk-in closet ng Hearst & Hearst to. Hearst & Hearst walk-in closet. Yan. Tapos, dito, toilet. Okay. And then, katabi dyan, yung double sink. Tapos may storage sa baba. And then big window, a big mirror dyan. I think this is an upgraded tub. Pero pwede rin niyang gawing full walk-in na shower, para mas lalaki siya. So iba yung configuration niya. Pero ito, parang lumaki yung tub. And malaki rin yung walk-in shower. Tapos may window dyan, nakaharap sa backyard. Okay? So yan. So mga kabayan, ito yung model 2469 ng KB Home dito sa Brevi at saka sa Novi community dito sa Southwest, malapit sa Southern Highlands, or nasa Southern Highlands na talaga tayo. So kung may mga tanong kayo or concerns or anything, let me know. Comment lang sa baba, text, call me, or email me anytime, and then I'll try to answer it as fast as I can. Sige mga kabayan, muli-muli, I'll see you, and then God bless. Magdasal palagi. Bye. Kung ito na ang hinahanap mong bahay, o gusto mo ng mas maliit, mas malaki, o nasa ibang lokasyon, kahit resale man yan, masaya akong tumulong sa'yo. Call, text, email o mag-comment ka lang sa baba kung may tanong ka. Nandito lang ako, ready to help. At kung gusto mong updated sa mga bagong tours at tips, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat sa panonood.